Hello guys. Some people were asking me questions about the time they will place the trade, the scalping trade. The scalping technique I said earlier from my first video. Alright. So this is the time in Nigeria 12:30, but in your MT5 it might be 2:30. So set your alarm on this Nigeria time, because sometimes the MT5 time is different from your Nigeria time. But once it's this Nigeria time, 12:30, 1:15, 3:45, 12:15, 4 p.m., you make sure you go to your chart and start counting your 5 candlesticks. After counting it, you count the next 5. If it breaks it above, you buy, and if it breaks it below, you sell. So we are going to be back testing it. I'm going to go like backwards to any time. I also want to make sure I work with this time that I've listed out. Alright, so I'm very specific this time. If you're in Nigeria, this time, W80 West African time, is your normal time. If you're in other countries, just convert the Nigeria time to your country time and you will know when to enter and place it. So our first time there is 12:30, which is 2:31 MT5, right? Depending on your broker, that's why the time of your normal time is different from your MT5 time. You understand? If it's 12:30 in Nigeria time, MT5 might be showing you 2:30, but just know it's the same time. So this is our 2:30, which is 12:30 Nigeria time. So we count the next 5 that forms, and now we are counting. We have marked our high and our low, and we are counting the next 5. And you see that it didn't break it. So let's go to the next time, which is 3:15. This one didn't break it. You can see the counting. It didn't break it up or down. So make sure you watch the first video. If you watch the first video, you understand what I'm doing. And we are working with 15 minutes time frame this time around. And I'm very specific with the time. I listed the time out, so please do to screenshots the notes I sent. You see that this one didn't break it. So let's go to the next time. Or you screenshot the notes, come back, watch this video over again, and again until you understand what I'm doing. But once you watch the first video and then you watch this one, you will totally understand. So this is the next time here. From the time I listed in my notes, that's if you are confused about what time am I using, go to my notes. My notes are just screenshot it and you understand what I'm doing. So this is 5:45, specific with the time. Alright, so it didn't break it. Once the next 5 candle formation don't break it on 15-minute time frame, you go to the next time. You do it every day. Just set your alarm on those times. Then you come to the chart and start counting. Alright, so this is the next one. If you don't understand what I'm doing, watch the first video, but this should be easy peasy because of the rules I've stated from the beginning of the video. So this is 2:15. We've counted the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mark the high and the low. So let's count the next 5. If it breaks it above or below, 1, 2, 3. You can count to me. 4. It broke it. 4 broke it. You can see. So since 4 broke it, we'll have to place the buy on the formation of the next candlestick. Right, the next candlestick is this. Put our stop loss on the wick of the candlestick that broke out. That's below it or on the wick. Then 1:1 is our target. 1:1 is the target. This gives us 72 points, so we are targeting 72 points. If you do 1:2, it can still hit your take profit, but for the sake of this video, we are only going to be doing 1:1. This strategy works 90% of the time, and remember, no strategy is a holy grail, which means you must apply proper risk management when you're placing this trade, and it works 90% of the time. So that means you can hardly have a losing trade. But that doesn't mean you won't have a losing trade, but you can hardly have it. Now the next time, just be working with the time there. If it's Nigeria time, 4 p.m. If it's MT5, the time will be showing 6 p.m. Right? So I believe you understand this time difference. You should understand the time difference because there are different time in different countries. So this is 6. Be patient. Trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme, right? So be patient. Wait for the candlestick to form. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we've marked the high and the low. Now let's count the next 5, right? You can see the next 5 didn't break it. So we are not placing anything here. This trade is not valid. Let's go to the next time. The next time is 2:30 a.m. Time is the next day, right? So we have gotten to the next day. This is the next day. 2:30 a.m. the next day, right? So you can keep doing this every day. Just make sure you trade this 2 a.m. is at night. So you won't be sleeping. You'll be on your chart. Just make sure you catch one move. Now we've gotten the high and the low of this 5. 2:30, 3 o'clock, 3:30, 4 o'clock, right? 4:30. Okay. Sorry, I said 4 o'clock, 3:15, and so on like that. So just count the 5. There's no need for you to be counting dice. Just count the 5. You can see this is 4. 4 broke it above. So since 4 broke it above, we set place our trades on the opening of the next one, and I'm using buy stop because we are buying, right? If it's on your chart, if you want to place it on live, just enter at market price on the opening of the next candle. Put your stop loss on the wake of the candle that broke out, and you take profit 1:1. And you can see it's a winner trade. On to the next time. Let's go to the next time, guys. From our notes, you can see we are following the rules one after the other. The next time is 3:15, right? 3:15 a.m. So this is 3:15 a.m. Count the next 5, which is this, and mark the high, mark the low. 3:15, see 45, 4:15, 4:15, and this one broke it. So you can see how easy it is. Easy, very easy. Enter at market price. Take profits 1:1. You already know where your stop loss is at the week of the candle that broke it. Take profit 1:1, and that is the winner. Go to the next time. You can easily know this time because I've already written it on the notes, and I've explained it also. So if you just go try this out, you just keep trying it. The next time, go to the next time, go to the next time. If it doesn't break above or below, the trade is not valid. Just leave it and go to the next time. No need to force it. There's no forcing. Go to the next time and keep trying it. And this is the next time, right? 2:30. So keep doing it. Okay, it's 2:15. I already seen all the time on the notes. Just go to the notes and start doing it. If you have any question, write it in the comments. If you want to contact me, I'll be leaving my WhatsApp link on the description. So guys, like, share and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button if you learned something from this video. I know some of you might have some strategies that you're using. As you can see, we hit take profit again. If you have a strategy you've been using, you can still be using your strategy and add this as a scalping strategy to your strategy. And you can also make this like one of the strategy you use to make profit. Just make sure you stick to the rules. This time must not be broken. Do your back testing. Use a demo account to master it. Then you go to your live account and start placing the trades. Right. This is another one. The same. The next time. This is the next time. Next one. This is the next one. Mark the high and the low. This one break it above. Easy peasy. We just buy. There's no argument. Once you see it, just buy. This is the first candle that formed. Once it's the first, just buy. No need to argue. No need to start being skeptical. Is it going to just buy? So far you follow the rule, and you can see that it's hit to take profit. So guys, subscribe guys. Subscribe and let's make this work. Subscribe, like and share. Look how the trades we placed. Is either we hit take profit or we don't place the trade if we don't see our confirmation. My name is Chitipere OG. Make sure you follow the rules. Thank you.